and welcome back to my channel. Lauren here. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pag-request at sa pag-send sa akin ng mga questions ninyo. And after careful and thorough consideration, I think this is gonna be the best topic na masashare natin at this point of time dahil ang dami pong gustong maghanap ng employer sa Canada but they don't know kung saan nga ba magsisimula. So for this vlog, pag-uusapan po natin, i-guide ko kayo, samahan nyo ako sa mga websites at sa mga steps na gagamitin or gagawin natin during the application process to efficiently find the right employer at the right time, at the right place. Ayan. So, itong paghahanap kasi ng mga Canadian employers, parang panliligaw lang yan. Oh, je vois. Paano ko nasabing parang panliligaw? Kailangan prepared ka. Kailangan 100% yung heart mo na gusto mo talaga na mag-work dito sa employer na to or mag-migrate sa Canada. So without further ado, let's talk about panliligaw sa Canadian employer. Let's get started. Ayan. So ngayon pa lang, kinikilig na ako for you because hopefully itong magiging panliligaw session mo sa mga Canadian employers will be successful and also i-relate ko talaga itong step-by-step process natin sa panliligaw para medyo may kilig din, di ba? Para hindi kailangan formal palagi. Ayan. So in real life, ang panliligaw, ang una nating ginagawa, kinakausap natin yung best friend natin to get advices and all that stuff. So, in this case, si Google yung ating best friend. Okay, Google is going to be there for you no matter what. Okay, lahat ng questions, lahat ng mga doubts or any random thoughts that you may have, andyan si best friend Google. Tutulungan ka niya. So, una nating hahanapin is itong tinatawag na trend analysis. Okay. So, i-type mo lang dyan sa search tab, bibigyan ka niya ng sagot. So, we have trend analysis wherein you can explore the market. This is part of the category sa job bank. Sobrang daming information sa job bank portal that many of us actually were not aware about this trend analysis. I just recently discovered this. So, may mga bagay tayong nadidiscover sa mga nililigawan natin, di ba? It's up to us kung paano natin i-handle yung information na yon. So, to utilize this information, itong trend analysis information, maggagawa tayo ng example. For our vlog, I wanted to show an example for the occupation food service supervisor in order for us to see kung ano nga ba yung job prospects in Canada or how does it look like in the next 3 years. Kasi ganun kaganda yung system ni Canada na papakita niya talaga lahat ng information available for the labor market requirement. So, food service supervisor. For this, ayan, I just click doon sa search tab. And lalabas na dito yung summary ng description, wages, prospects, jobs, requirements, skills, and ayan, madami pang iba. Ayan, so, sisimulan lang natin siya kung halimbawa hindi pa natin alam kung saan ba tayo pupunta. Diba? Kasi minsan naman, pag nanliligaw tayo, hindi rin naman natin alam talaga kaagad if 100% sure na tayo na. Sa kanya talaga. Ayan, so, we have to study first. Ano ba yung mga provinces in Canada kung saan maganda yung prospects for food service supervisor. So, ito yung job opportunities over the next 3 years. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, for this one, lahat ng provinces ng Canada, nakalagay dito yung job prospect niya. So, kapag, ayan, i-sort natin siya. Ayan. So, as you can see, meron dito sa right side of the table na stars. So, this will be the categorization kung gaano kataas yung level of competition and level of job vacancy ng food service supervisors in in different provinces of Canada. So una, let's identify this. Sa British Columbia, sabi dito, ang job prospects or opportunities over the next 3 years is good daw, or 3 stars. So my interpretation based on the experiences that I've had is kapag 3 stars, the level of competition is hindi ganun kataas, but the job availability is mataas. Ayan. And kapag fair naman siya, ibig sabihin, pantay lang yung demand at saka yung availability. So, medyo tight, but it's realistic. Pwede talaga makakuha ng job. And kapag naman undetermined, ibig sabihin, hindi sila nag-release ng information about the availability doon kasi most likely, hindi ganun kataas yung demand. So, ayan, one more thing is limited. Ayan. But it seems na wala namang limited dito, so we'll just focus dito sa mga fair and good na ita-target natin for food service supervisor. So, meron tayong British Columbia, Alberta, Manitoba, New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador. Nova Scotia has one of the 3 stars. So, isa yan sa pwede nating i-prioritize. So, first step is you have to filter kung saan ba pinakamataas yung demand ng occupation mo. So, halimbawa, mag-push tayo for Nova Scotia. Okay? So, para sa Nova Scotia, ito naman yung gagawin natin. Pupunta tayo sa jobs. We're gonna click here in Nova Scotia. So, makikita mo yung available jobs based dito sa job bank. Please note na hindi lahat ng job vacancy ay nakapost dito sa job bank. Sobrang daming portals that is available out there, especially sa mga provincial portals that I will be posting on the description box para you can explore that also. But for now, magfo-focus lang tayo sa trend analysis and dito sa job bank. Ayan. So you can see here na meron tayong 78 results for food service supervisor. Ayan. So the goal of this video, like I said, is to work on your job search process in the most efficient manner. So, kailangan natin makasave ng time and effort para mas maging productive yung job search natin. And to make sure na we can find the right employer. Ayan. So, for this, nakita na natin na Nova Scotia has the top job availability based doon sa current trend sa job bank. So, ang gagawin natin this time is kailangan natin i-filter itong 78 results. Okay? I will just show you alin yung most likely na mag-hire ng international foreign skilled worker na employer at alin yung less priority dapat or last resort na lang if you really have the time to submit. Ayan. So, let's say itong Mirchi Tandoor Incorporated. This is located in Halifax, Nova Scotia. And the basic salary or hourly salary is $13 per hour. Ngayon, if you're living outside Canada, your main target is yung employment type should be permanent employment. Hindi siya part-time leading to full-time or casual part-time or temporary employment. So, kailangan, pag nakita mo yung job posting, tingnan mo kaagad dito if it's a permanent full-time. So, since itong si Mirchi Tandoor Incorporated, even though maganda yung, yung requirements niya, kasi English language lang, walang degree, walang certificate, and experience is an asset, this is less likely to be successful kapag mag-submit ka. Baka hindi tayo pansinin ng employer. So, balik ka na lang dito so you can search for or you can open other postings. So, ayan. So, ito yung mga fresh na postings. So, open natin to. Ayan. So, dito kay Charlton, I don't know how to pronounce this, but Charlton Restaurants Limited, meron siyang permanent employment full-time vacancy and dalawa yung kailangan nila dito. So, this employer may hire you um, especially if meron silang labor market impact assessment or if they are exempted. Click mo lang tong how to apply and you will see the email address of the employer and just copy this and make a note of all of this information. I strongly suggest that you create an Excel sheet in order for you to keep track of your job submissions. Because what will happen is, if hindi mo siya natatrack at hindi mo na monitor yung progress ng job submission mo, you're just like throwing punches in the air. O, diba? Para ka naliligaw pero ginaghosting mo naman yung nililigawan mo. So, kailangan consistent ka. Because consistency is the key. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito yung mga benefits. Ayan, so dental benefits, group insurance benefits, ability to supervise daw. Ang requirement nila is kailangan marunong ka mag-handle ng 11 to 15 people. And all other requirements. Ayan, so mababasa nyo naman siya dito. Okay. Tapos, kung meron kayong mga certificates, mga license, mga seminars attended, ipunin nyo yan. Yan yung mga selling point ninyo, di ba? So, parang ano ba, if i-relate natin siya sa panliligaw, push natin talaga to para tong kung meron kayong mga memories together ng nililigawan mo before, oh my God, what am I doing? Ayan, but on a serious note, yes, kung meron ka mga certificates, seminars attended that is related sa pinagsasubmitan mo na application, go ahead and include that on your resume. I may work on a video about the Canadian Standard Resume. So dahil nga we are talking about efficiency and productivity, I want to make sure na we are just taking one step at a time. Dahil sobrang daming job portals na available sa Canada, isa-isahin natin, para hindi tayo malunod altogether. Parang ang panliligaw lang yan. Pag nanliligaw ka, isa-isa lang. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And see you on my next vlog. And pag-uusapan natin yung ibang mga job portals na pwede mong puntahan para mas madagdagan pa yung opportunities to get a job interview in Canada. Thank you so much. Stay safe and God bless. Ka-Faith lang!